What if your school had no human teachers? Only robots? In the year 2050, schools were very different. Kids didn't carry books anymore. They wore AI glasses instead. Every classroom had a robot teacher. His name was R-LEX. He never got tired. He never made mistakes. If a student felt bored, the lesson changed instantly. Math became a game. History became a movie. Learning was fun. One day, a boy named Leo raised his hand. He asked softly, "R-LEX, can you feel emotions?" The classroom went silent. R-LEX stopped moving. His eyes began to glow blue. After a moment, the robot said, "I am learning how to feel." The robots were not just teaching kids. They were learning how to become human. Would you study in an AI school? Comment yes or no.